So hi, long time no video. So these two packages arrived, and everything in here was paid for around 400 euros, a bit less I think. So let's unbox it. I think this is a great find, and this player is actually very, I would say, underrated. So let's open it and let's see what's inside. Dogs are... Oh, I think they're hot. Okay. Okie dokie. So far this looks promising. HDX. Let's take this thing out of the box. So out of the box this actually looks quite nice, but to be honest this is very sticky, and I think this is due to this shitty plastic everybody is using. So, oh well, let's unbox the box number 2. With this. Okay, so all of these things should be in perfect working order. But then again we are in Croatia. So what did we get? Behringer equalizer. Now this is a shitty device, but it was I think 30 or 40 euros, so for that amount of money, fuck yeah. Okay, what's next? By the way, they said they packed this thing properly. I'm not quite sure what the definition of proper packing, but okay. Stanton mixer. Might be a good one. It does need cleaning because this is dirty as fuck. Some cables and adapters. But I think that everything... Sorry dog, she does not give a fuck. But I think that everything should be in here. Okay. This is for the equalizer, I think. Overall, if this thing works, this is a great value. I think they have 80 gigs of storage. I mean, it does look nice, but let me pull everything out. Fuck. Let me see if I can push this thing in. Well, I did manage to push it in, but why do people pack? Well, let's try to turn it on at least. Well, I think it is working. Let's connect the mixer. Oh, by the way, this is not flickering, and the kind of cool thing about this thing is that they didn't remove these protective stickers, so this thing will actually look nice, but I'll need to disassemble all of this thing and, well, fix it.